Let me ask you a question. Why is it that the gurus who promise you affiliate marketing riches actually make most of their money as product creators, not affiliates? If you're sick of wasting your time and money on outdated traffic hacks and confusing softwares, then pay close attention to the rest of this video. For creating your own wildly profitable video courses on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and Udemy, all using an underground approach called borrowed expertise. This little-known strategy turns brand new marketers into instant experts virtually overnight, giving you 5- and 6-figure cash windfalls from video course sales, creating long-term passive income from courses you create in just a few hours, and building an army of affiliates who happily send you their hottest buyer traffic, all without you ever needing to get in front of the camera. It works even if you're brand new to online marketing, and you won't need any tech skills or traffic expertise. And it doesn't matter if the only people on your email list are your cousin and your sister. You can literally start watching sales pile up with complete confidence whether you're working, traveling, or sitting on the beach soaking up the sunshine. Now, maybe you're thinking you're not an expert. Maybe you're wondering why anyone would buy your course or why any affiliates would promote you. The answer is simple. The borrowed expertise approach allows you to legally steal knowledge from top experts across the globe with just a few clicks of your keyboard. All you need to do is copy and paste that info into simple video courses that you'll sell on Warrior Plus and JVZoo, just like these. $27,521.33 in sales on a $12 product. $22,865 in sales on a $12 product. $38,134 in sales on a $17 product. And these numbers are just for one product. Imagine if you had 3 products like this selling at one time. Now think bigger. What if you had 10 products like this? Well, because the borrowed expertise approach lets you create and sell courses in a matter of hours, and it's never been easier to get started. Introducing the Instant Expert System. It's a unique done-for-you system for creating and selling simple video courses on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Udemy by borrowing content from top experts in the field, without ever needing to worry about traffic and without spending months or years developing courses. Here's what you're getting when you enroll today. Done-for-you course content. We've put together high-value course content from experts in over 100 different niches, so that all you need to do is pick a topic and copy and paste the info from our secret vault into your own courses. I know this sounds like it shouldn't be legal, but it's completely white hat, and you even have these experts' permission to copy their work as your own. Done-for-you course templates. Want to charge 5 times to 10 times as much for your courses and give affiliates confidence that you know exactly what you're doing, even if you've never created a single piece of content before in your life. These proven course templates make your videos ooze with value and will help build buzz around the quality of your trainings. Lifetime access to the epic video course creation software. With just a few clicks of a button, you can transfer your done-for-you course content into a beautiful video course without needing any tech skills and without ever having to get in front of the camera. Wow your customers with the quality of your presentation and turn them into lifetime buyers who stick around for years to come. It's as simple as 1. Copy and pasting the done-for-you course content into the templates. 2. Pushing a few buttons to transfer the information into video form. 3. Letting top affiliates send you qualified traffic that opens the floodgates of sales. The done-for-you course content, templates, and software would easily sell for $397. And it would be worth every penny, since creating just one video course can easily net $15,000 to $20,000. But you're not going to pay $397. And you're not even going to pay $197. Because, as an early bird buyer, I'm giving you a discount so insane that my partner begged me to reconsider. But I remember what it was like when I was getting started and needed a helping hand. And I'm committed to making this program accessible to every serious online entrepreneur. So when you enroll right now, you can get instant lifetime access to everything for a one-time investment of just $17. That's 93% off the normal price. Click the Get Started Now button below to lock in your discounted access. Plus, to make your success a virtual guarantee, I'm also including 5 profit-pumping bonuses that will turn your video course business into a passive income machine. Combined, these bonuses are worth $884, but you're getting them completely free when you enroll right now. Plus, to make sure this works for you specifically, you're protected by a 90-day unconditional money-back guarantee. Go through all the materials and software, create your first course, and start getting paid. If you don't think this is the most powerful passive income approach you've ever discovered, just email me and I will send you a full refund that very same day. You can even keep the bonuses as a thank you for giving this a try. This is one of the most unique opportunities you'll ever have to build a lifestyle business that pays you forever for work you only do one time, all by borrowing other people's time, traffic, and expertise. Wealthy people don't try to figure everything out themselves. They take strategic shortcuts that give them an edge, and they use other people's efforts and resources to make themselves rich. This is your chance to do business like the wealthy do and get the results that they get. But you need to act fast. The price on your screen right now is the lowest price you'll ever see. It increases every 30 minutes, which means that every second you wait is costing you. But procrastinating also means waiting even longer to make your first course sales and create the passive income that will fund your future life. You're getting everything done for you. The course content, the templates, softwares, and the bonuses, everything you need to start making your first course sales by lunchtime tomorrow. All you need to do is click the Get Started Now button below this video to lock in your 93% discount, and I will see you on the inside.
Hello, this is MOSH BARI, and let me introduce to you Epic. Epic can help you build your course modules very easily. So let me show you how it works. First, you create this pink button to create your first module. So let's say first module and add a number, create. Now, these are blank space. You can add anything you want. You can add image, text, video, audio, and a background audio for the whole slide. Now, let's say you want to add image, and you can add image in 3 different ways. You can click the browse button and add image from your hard drive. I'm not going to do that because everybody knows how to do it. But there is one very interesting way to do it, and that's called external links. Let's say you are on a website called KM'z, and you found an interesting image or a funny meme, something like that. I don't know. You can't just repost finger guns forever and get upvotes. That's where you are wrong, kiddo. Okay, awesome. So let's say you want to use this image straight from KM'z to your slide. How do you do that? Very simple. Right click, copy image address, and simply Ctrl V or paste. And the application automatically pulls the image to the slide. You can now resize it, reshape it, reposition it. You can do whatever you want to do. All right. You can even decide the opacity. See that? Great. Now, let's say you want to add an audio for this slide. How do you do that? Click the audio section. Either you can browse and select pre-recorded audios from your hard drive, or you can click this button here, little button here, and allow your browser to use your microphone. For that, please make sure you are using the microphone you want to use, because you may have multiple microphones connected. For me, I have multiple microphones connected to the system, so I choose the one I want to use right now. And I will click here, and probably my browser and this website already got approval from my browser. I mean, I approved it before, but in your case, if you're using this website for the first time, your browser will ask for approval whether it will let you this application to use your microphone or not. You have to say yes. And then you click this little button here. Hey, this is a funny meme I found on imgur.com. It says you can't just repost finger guns forever and get upvotes. That's where you are wrong, kiddo. Now, once I am done, I just click this button again and just name it, okay? Let's name it Kiddo Audio. Click OK. And as you can see, there is the audio recorded successfully. Oh, by the way, remember, the slide has 600 seconds default size, default length. But when you go down below on this left-hand side and in your My Music section or recorded audio section, wherever you choose, just choose Add. You'll see the length of this slide changes automatically according to the last added media. So here, the last added media is the recorded audio, and the audio length was 15 seconds. So the length of this slide automatically becomes 15 seconds. Now you can play and check. Hey, this is a funny meme I found on You can hear, right? So that's how it works. Very, very simple. Now, if you want to add a text saying funny meme taken from MJO. Just like that, you just want to add something and choose the text color. Add text, the text is added. Now, if you want to change the background, the text background to be transparent, you can do it. Now it's transparent, okay? Or maybe you can change it to something else. Maybe you can change to blue or purple. This is kind of blue or purple something. Choose and it changes, okay? You can change the font family and all other settings, the layer positions, where it is up or down. Well, let's keep it as is. And then save. Once you move to the next slide, you can save. Now, how is this helpful? It's helpful because most of us cannot speak long time to shoot one module. Or maybe our module elements, graphics, texts are scattered here and there. So in order to put them all in one place and put them in an orderly fashion, we can use these slides and bite-sized slides. So this is what we are doing here. We created one 15 seconds slide, and we can simply click save, and the application will save this slide. We can move to the next one. Now we have added the next slide, and we can do exactly the same thing. Now another thing is video. You can also add videos from your hard drive, or you can use the external links the same way. Okay. Now, I did not show you how to use Pixabay images. They are extremely simple. Let's say nice. Let's say I like sky. So let's say sky, beautiful. You want to add this beautiful sky here in the scene. You can simply add it, resize it, reshape it, and reposition it as your choice. Now let's delete it and we will go for video. And let's say you will look for Pixabay and you want to look for a cat video, a simple cat video. And you want to use this one. And yes, your cat video is here. You see, the cat video is here, and the cat video length is 11 seconds. So the slide automatically took the size of the last added, the length of the last added media. Okay. Now, once you want to save, just click save. That's it. Now you can add as many slides as you want to complete your module. And of course, for all slides, you can add audio, you can add any number of elements or any type of elements. We suggest you to keep it clean and keep it simple in order to make your module simple. At the same time, make rendering easier because the rendering will take resources from the server. You can add audio as your music or your voiceover. And if you want to add one background music for the whole video, then you can add it here. And you can control the volume from here, right? And that's it. That's how you can create your own module. And once you are done, simply click Save and then click Render. Click OK. Awesome. And the video is in the rendering queue. The time of rendering depends on total size of the used elements or the media files in the video. One thing I can assure you that we are using the best of the best online servers, which is Amazon servers, to render the videos. So you're getting the maximum performance. And we can't go beyond what they have to offer. So the wisest and smartest way would be, while one module is rendering, don't wait for it. Start working on the next module and continue doing your other tasks and let the application do its stuff. I will leave it here for now and go on and complete my other tasks. And I'll come back later to check the results. See you there.